Now, India's Supreme Court today started hearings on the multiple petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the controversial Waqf Amendment Act 2025. Now, the contentious law that has brought in sweeping changes to the management of the Waqf properties in India and has set off a political, social and legal storm. The Supreme Court has proposed to pass an order that properties that are declared as Waqf, including Waqf by user, will not be denotified. A bench comprising the Chief Justice of India and two Supreme Court judges asked the Solicitor General appearing for the centre on how Waqf by user can be disallowed, as many will not have prerequisite documents to get such Waqfs registered. The centre has opposed the proposed order and has sought for a hearing. A total of 73 petitions have been listed in the Apex Court, including those filed by prominent political figures and organisations. And these include ones by AIMIM leader Asaduddin Owaisi, the Congress MP Mohammad Javed and the Jamiat-e-Ulama-e-Hind. The primary argument is that the law violates fundamental rights and is actually an attempt by the government to seize properties. The senior advocate for the petitioners, Kapil Sibal, has said, and I quote him here, "A collector is designated to decide whether a property is Waqf or not. If there is a dispute, this person is part of the government apparatus and thus a judge in his own case. This is per se unconstitutional." Now, the act has sparked widespread protests and objections across the country. Three of the biggest concerns that have been raised include: one, inclusion of non-Muslim members on Waqf boards that some believe undermines religious autonomy of the Muslims. Now, the amended act also empowers the district collectors to determine ownership of the disputed Waqf properties, shifting the decision-making from the Waqf board to government officials, and also the removal of the Waqf by user provision that is seen as arbitrarily excluding potential donors of Waqf land. Now, the Waqf Amendment Act has led to unrest in some parts of the country. Protests have erupted in places such as West Bengal's Murshidabad and also in Tripura's Unakoti, with reports of some violence. Now, the Indian government, interestingly, has filed a caveat requesting to be heard before any orders are passed on the pending writ petitions.